What is the nature of the roots for the quadratic equation? 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. So, may video na tayo nito sa discriminant. So, actually, madali lang. Alak ka. Tapos na. Hindi, pasado naman yun. May mga bits tayo guys sa YT kapag trip nyo. Wait lang. Tapusin lang natin ito muna. So, nature of the roots naman, discriminant. So, basically, meron tayong 2x squared na given. Then, plus 5x minus 3 equals 0. So, sa case na to pinapahanap yung nature ng roots. So, nakadepende siya sa discriminant. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ng formula ng discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. So, kapag equal kasi sa 0, one real solution yun, or double root. Then, kapag may mga case pa na iba, titingnan lang natin dito para ma-explain natin. So, plug lang natin yung b, dapat naka-standard form, so okay na yan. So, yung b natin yung may katabing x, pero hindi siya x squared. So, meron tayong 5 doon. Then, squared natin yung 4, then yung a naman, that is 2. Then, yung c natin is negative 3. So, magkakaroon tayo dito ng 5 squared, that is 25. And yung negative times positive times negative is positive. And 4 times 2, that is 8 times 3 is 24. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 25 plus 24, that is 49. So, meron tayong 49 guys. Yung discriminant natin is greater than 0. Pero itong 49 alam natin, that is perfect square. So, kapag perfect square guys, yung discriminant, so, yung mga perfect square, remember that is yung 1, 4, 9, 25, 16, and so on and so forth. So, kapag perfect square guys, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng 2 rational roots solutions. Parehas yan. So, magkaiba sila. Hindi katulad kapag 0. Parehas. So, kapag equal kasi sa 0 guys, that is one solution. Hindi, discriminant lang naman kinukuha natin. So, titignan lang kung ano. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 distinct real roots. So, magkaiba. That is letter B.